Welcome back to All Heart. St. Patrick's Day is almost here, and there's nothing like some good old Irish comfort food to get you in the spirit. Joining me now from the Irish Pub in Philadelphia are Mark O'Connor and King Benny.
How you doing?
Liking the hair.
Thank
and from
you.
Yardsbury, Tom Kehoe. Brewery.
Yes.
I can say that. I can speak that word. So it's a huge weekend. Tell us what we got going on at the Irish Pub.
Yeah, we wait all year for this. So Saturday there's pub crawls all over the area. Sunday is the St. Patrick's Day Parade, really big day, and then the High Holy Day, Monday, St. Patrick's Day.
So it's the big time for the Irish Pub. And King Benny, I have to ask you, I mean, is your hair always green, or is this just for the weekend, or?
It's dependent how the holiday is coming through.
What holiday? So different
St.
holidays?
Patrick's Day, yes.
Different
Sometimes
colors?
I used to have on Christmas Day.
Okay.
On December, I change my color all the time.
Halloween, orange, that kind of thing?
Any kind. It doesn't bother me.
All right,
Doesn't
all
bother
right.
me.
I'll buy that. All right, so you brought along some food, typical Irish comfort food to show me today. What do you have?
I have a jelly strudel.
A strudel. Now, is
Yes.
strudel not German?
Well, this is an Irish Pub original.
Okay.
It's sort of a take on a Reuben.
Okay.
So we take a piece of puff pastry. Benny, why don't you start
Listen,
working on it there?
First thing I do, I'm going to cut it in half.
All right.
And you take the puff pastry and then
That's
you put
right.
some Swiss cheese on it.
That's right. See what I mean?
Top that with
pastry,
a
Swiss cheese,
little Thousand Island dressing.
That's right.
Thousand Island dressing.
Yeah,
What are
we got
some other
2,000.
what's some other comfort food that you have at the Irish Pub?
This is when we sell. Everybody's eating the Irish items. So we have shepherd's pie, we have
Right.
Dublin brown beef stew, steak and mushroom pie, corned beef and cabbage, ham and cabbage. So
the
everybody's
pies and the cabbage.
Yeah, everybody's Irish for this week and eating all these items.
And of course the beer, not to leave you out.
Absolutely.
Of course,
The
beer.
cabbage and the pie and the beer.
Nothing
All
like
right.
a pint of
Then
stout.
I'm gonna, once I get all this together,
Okay.
then you sprinkle with the egg wash
Egg whites.
in each corner.
little bit of egg wash, and that's to keep it together.
Keep it
Right.
together so
And,
it don't break.
And you pop that in the
You
oven.
want to make sure it's really tight too.
Okay.
So
Here we go.
then you take this pieces and put this on top. See what I will do? I'm going to spread it a little bit, just to make sure you got enough space.
Like pizza dough.
Yeah, that's it. I can put separately so I know how to make it easily. So,
You gotta make it work.
Now, thank God I met Irish people. Oh, thank goodness.
And you are, of course, Irish.
Hey, I can drink. That's the point. I can
You
drink.
can.
I can
Well.
work next morning.
Okay.
Like, I feel good.
Lauren, he never calls out.
All right. Well,
I
not
never fall out.
that not
Then
that
I'm
beer
gonna
and
order
Irishman
this.
are synonymous. However, on that note, you've brought some beer with you today, and I've been told I can't say one kind of beer, but I am certainly allowed to say Yards Stout.
Yes.
Okay, I got it
Our
right.
Love Stout, and it's available every day of the year at the Irish Pub. And it's a true stout. It's got a great flavor. And we always say you don't always have to have an Irish stout, but it's great to have a beer made by a stout Irishman.
A stout Irishman.
Stout.
A love stout, nonetheless. All right, let me take a little gander at this. It is the evening, after all.
Absolutely.
All right. Okay, so you also brought another one here.
Brought our other
I'm
stout.
waiting to taste the next one, actually.
Okay.
I have a little bit of a fondness for your next.
Which is
your
our
next one.
chocolate Love Stout. And basically it's a little bit bigger of a stout, but it also has chocolate in there, and it's roasted on cocoa nibs, and it's really has an amazing flavor and amazing aroma. And I was hoping everybody's going to try that. We
I'm gonna
premiered
try it.
this for Valentine's Day.
Okay.
So,
I would love to try it, man.
Okay, well,
Because I know
ladies
this is
first,
my
and
oh
we'll
my
see
God,
how
that's dangerous. Oh.
It's
absolutely.
dangerous, all
Are
right.
they very sweet?
It is a little bit sweet, but it's also like dark chocolate.
Oh,
So you're
okay.
going to have a lot
So
more of
I
that
never
real
drink
roasty and chocolatey flavor. There you go. Oops, sorry.
I'm going to try it.
All right. That's really good.
do you
I'm
think?
actually not a beer drinker, but I would say of all the beers I've had, this
Not
is my
bad, but
this is my favorite one of all time.
Terrific.
It is.
It does taste like chocolate.
Cheers, King Benny. There you
Cheers.
go.
Cheers,
Tastes like
Lauren.
chocolate.
Cheers,
All right.
Mark.
How do we finish
Cheers,
this
Tom.
guy up?
Yep.
How do we
Okay.
finish this guy
Shall
up?
we-
What happened when I'm all done, and I put the egg wash again on top. You got to do it one more time. Mm-hmm. Okay?
One more time. More egg.
Yeah. And then you just finish it up. You have to use a fork
Like a pie.
Yeah, it's just like a pie, like when you make an apple pie.
And where's the finished product? Let's see what the finish looks
Would you
like.
pull
The
out
pretty
finished
product
'Cause
is
we'll-
gonna be
we'll
here.
Put this in the oven,
Put it-
Laura, and it'll bake for 30
300
minutes,
degrees.
300 degrees.
Keep drinking my beer. Go ahead.
And this is what it looks like when it comes out.
There we go. See how nice
And
it is?
it looks quite lovely and delicioso.
The
And then,
mushroom pie.
And then the beer.
yeah, and then I have my signature, I respond to.
All
It's
right.
called steak mushroom pie.
Well,
You gotta have this.
delicious. Well, I thank you guys for coming. Thank you, Mark O'Connor and King Benny from the Irish Pub. And a special thanks to Tom Kehoe from the Yards Brewing Company. Stay tuned because when we come back, we take a look at some must-see TV shows for this spring. But before we go to take a break, look at some of the great St. Patty Day events happening around our town.
We set sail from the sweet cove of Cork. We were sailing away with a cargo of bricks for the Grand City Hall in New York. 'Twas a wonderful craft, she was